Greetings to you, Prof. We are the members of EduRite App. Here is our group name and also our app name. Here are our names and also our student numbers. So here we created an app. We created an app for high school villages, which will be recording the marks for each and every learner in each term, where a clerk will create the accounts for a learner and also a teacher, a staff is. So a learner can view his or her teacher's details and also view his or her results. A teacher will modify academic record for each learner and also view the performance for a grade and also a subject that he or she teaches. So here we created tables. So here we have table for planner. We see that we have a primary key. Our primary key is learner ID. We see that we have link the tables, link user learner. We see that our primary key under this table is link user learner ID. So here are our tables, table for teacher, table for results, and also a table for user. Let's see what we have under a table learner. So here is our table learner. We see that we have our primary key. Our primary key here is an learner ID. Under this table, we have full name, date of birth, contact number, gender, home language, physical address, and also a grade that he or she, Elena, is doing. So we also have this table that we linked. So under this table, we see that we have our primary key for which is link user learner ID. In int, we have a learner ID in int and also a user ID in int. We also add the foreign keys. We see that we link user learner ID to table user. We link user learner. We use learner to table learner. So also we also did the on delete cascade. So here is our on delete cascade, meaning that if you delete something from the table, it will be permanently deleted on stored procedures. So let's move on to stored procedures. So here we have our stored procedures, add new learner. We see our parameters here. Here are parameters for this stored procedure. We also have this table. For this stored procedure update learner. We also have this dot, and we also have these parameters. So let's open this stored procedure. We see that in this stored procedure update learner, we have a parameter learner ID in int, parameter name, date of birth, contact, gender, language, address, and also a grade. So what we are updating here, we update a learner. We update a learner from a learner table where a learner ID a is equal to a parameter learner ID in int. So here is our stored procedure. So now let's go to a form and see what we have under our buttons and see the codes. We see that in this form we have a button show, button select, and also button update. So let's see our button show. Here is our button show code. We see that we have under this button show, under command text, we show something from a learner, get a learner. On parameters, where you show name starting with meaning that you show things from Elena. Yes. And then we have a button select. Here is our button select. So our button select, we select from a data grid view. As we see here that we have a data grid view. Our data grid view is here right now. And then let's go to another button. We have the button update. So under button update, we see that under command text, we have update Elena, meaning that we update Elena. So what are we updating? We're updating Elena ID, a name, date of birth, contact, language, grade, address, and also a gender.
So firstly, we will run the app so that a learner or a teacher or a clerk can log in. So, so I'll firstly log in as a clerk. So I'll go here and log in. Say will call, type my password, and then log in. So I'm currently logged in. So I'll go under clerk. So as a clerk, I will create a learner account. Or let's say I'm creating in 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 the and then I'll write a date of birth. Oh, let's see. Okay. And 26. Oh, sorry, let's say 26. Okay. I'll write my hair number. So I'll choose a health rate, let's say student rate 8. And then I'll click here. And then here I'll create the passwords that you will use. Let's say username in source. Yes, just okay. So the user is successful created. So a click will just close after it's done creating. So after that, we'll just log out as a click. So also a teacher will click here and log in. So let's say is simple, simple, then log in. So as a teacher, I'll go here and modify. Here, I'll modify a student, or let's say one student, I'll just say. I'll choose, so here I'll choose a learner ID one and press to show. So I will select here and say select. So let's say I want to change independent marks is not 76, it's 89, then I will still say update. So it's successfully updated. Also a teacher so that after that will close. Also, a teacher will check learner performance, will just will just click show all. So a teacher will see, let's say, a grade 8 learners all and do term 3. So let's say English and see their marks on English, and then we just close. Also, a teacher will go here under learner, and also under learner will update. Here will update a learner. Let's first click show. Then we'll select a learner. So we select. Let's say we select Alungile. So let's say a date is not 22, it's 16. Then we just say update. So it's successfully updated. So also a teacher will go out to see that is successfully updated. Yes, Alungile is no longer 22, it's 16 now, so it's updated. And then we'll just close. And also a teacher will delete Elena. Here, a teacher will firstly click show all and then select, let's say, select alcohol and then say select and then we click delete. So it's successfully deleted, and also a teacher will just close and then a teacher will go to see that this learner is deleted or not. So here, a corner is no longer here, so it's deleted. So a teacher after that, a teacher will just log out. eh, Log out.
Okay, I'm logged in as a learner. So first, I'll put my username as Indipile, as Indipile, and I'll put on my password. So, guys, let me create myself, and I'm logged in now. So, as a learner, I can view results. When I view results, I just type my name as Indipile. I just type my name as Indipile Shamin, and when I select show, it will show my results. As you can see, marks, subjects, and the term. And then I'll click on close. And the learner, I can also view teacher's details. And I just select show, and there we go. You see all the details of my teachers, contact numbers, and so on. And then I close, and I go back to the user and I log out. And then you can exit our app on exit.
Yes,
This
this is
is
our
our
app,
app,
EduRite.
EduRite. Remember
Remember,
that
education
education
is
is
the
the
key
key
to
to
success.
success.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And I'm so fucking tired of this.